Before giving a demo on the Barcode Demo program, let's first take a look at some sample barcodes. These barcodes are stored as image files. The first one is captured from the back of a book using a camera of a cell phone. You can see that the quality is not very good. The second one is generated by a computer, and we can't tell what numbers this barcode represents without the help of a barcode reader. The third barcode represents a number with digits from 0 to 9. Notice that these barcodes are of different sizes and quality. We can now open the project Barcode Demo. By double-clicking on the icon, you can see that this is the same program that we have just discussed. The program compiled without any error. We can run the program by right-clicking on the icon and select Main from the pull-down menu, and then click OK. Now you can see that a dialog window is popped up that asks for the location of the first barcode image. This comes from the execution of the method input barcode. Let's select barcode 1 as the first barcode. The program then asks for the second barcode because of the second call to input barcode. Let's select barcode 2. You can see that the values of the barcodes are being displayed in the console window. The value of the first barcode is a huge number with 12 digits. Imagine that if we were to enter these using a keyboard, it would be prompt to error. The second barcode is a small number with value 2. It is easy to check that the sum of the two barcodes being displayed here is correct, as the only difference between these and the first barcode is the last digit 5, which was obtained by adding 2 and 3. You can also check that the results of the multiplication should also be correct. Notice that we are not done yet. There is still a pop-up window that asks for the name of a file. This is because the last statement in the program, output barcode, would output a barcode with value add results to a barcode image. Let's use the name B1 as the output file. Now the program terminates. If you check the project folder, you'll find that there is a file with the name B1, and you can see that it is a barcode, but we can't tell its value just by looking at the picture. No problem. Let's try to run the program again. This time, let's use B1 as the first barcode image and use barcode 2 as the second barcode as before. You can see that the value of the first barcode is now the same as the value of add results in the previous execution of the program. So we have verified that a barcode with add result as value has indeed been generated. You can also see the results of the addition and multiplication. Let's just enter B2 as the output file to terminate the program. You can just download the program from the course website and try running it on different barcodes yourself. I'm sure that you can find many barcodes around you. You can use your smartphone or a digital camera to capture the barcodes and then input those to the program. You can also write a simple program to generate barcodes with different values. Let me show you such a simple program. You can create a new class or new program by clicking on the New Class button. Let's call this new program Gen Barcode. A new icon is being created. You can open up the editor window for Gen Barcode by double-clicking on it. As before, I need to start the program by importing com102x.io. Let's remove all the irrelevant part of the program and construct only a simple method main for generating the barcode using output barcode from the IO class. Let's try to generate a barcode with value 100 and another one with value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This is all this program does. Let's compile the program and run the main program. Let's output the barcodes to B100 and B1 to 0. The program finished. If you examine the project folder, you can't tell whether B100 is correct. But if you compare B1 to 0 with barcode 3, which is an existing barcode. You'll find that they look very much the same. So have some fun with barcodes.